We are in PixArt for editing tutorial again. In that tutorial we will discuss about the features in PixArt. If you are a mobile user, then don't worry about the designing and editing. So it's the best solution for you, how you can use it for making your own designs in just downloading by an app. So here are the options you can apply to your designs to get extraordinary results. That's the shapes we can create, draw on the blank images and the surface. So it's just a practice video. You can get that on your official, and also you can design the images for your clients.